ask her what she's drinking. Okay, I'm lying, 'cause I'm really creeping. She's so damn pretty, the way she walks and how she talks, want her this minute. But the way I look at you, it's pretty clear I got no idea what to. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to think of besides you? And I know that this is strange, I never felt this way before. I fell in love with the girl in the food court. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to think of besides you? And I know that this is strange, I never felt this way before. I fell in love with the girl in the food court. I guess it's do or die now. So I grab my tray as I stumble through the crowd. She's staring at me, now I'm wondering what I'm thinking. But the way you look at me, it's pretty clear that you have swept me off my feet. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to think of besides you? This way before. I fell in love with the girl in the food court. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to think of besides you? And I know that this is strange, I never felt this way before. I fell in love with the girl in the food court. Ever talk to you, and I know that this is strange, I never felt this way before. But I know I fell in love with the girl in the food court. Don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to think of besides you? And I know that this is strange, I never felt this way before. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do.